Kwek-kwek oh. May kwek-kwek. Pandesal. Patro. Ayan. Uy. May another ano dito. Jollibee. Ito. Letter A. Letter A. Oh no. Corners! Ito. Uy. Corner! Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Pen. Nagbabalik para sa ating panibagong laro. Ito ang Jollibee. Yeah. Let's go. Laruin na natin to agad. WSD keys to walk. Hold shift to run. Mouse. E to interact. Skip to pause. Okay. E. Pwede sa kotse. This car belongs to my old man. He let me borrow it so I could compete in the eating contest. Okay. I have to make sure that I win this before going home. Ayun o. Jollibee. Ice tubig. Maligam-gam. Kagagawa lang. Perfect. After playing in the sun. Ayos yun, no? Ice tubig. Ano to? Make heck. Do not snort. Heck eh, no? Make heck. Oh, 24 hours din sila open. Hi, Jollibee. Jollibee. Actually, it's creepy. Walang guard. PWD. Dito tayo. Ano meron sila? Meron silang bigas. B1. Meron silang tuyo. Bakit? May balot. Meron pang spicy tuyo. May regular tuyo. May spicy tuyo. Dumb burger. Kwek-kwek oh. May kwek-kwek. Pandesal. Dinuguan. Bagoong. Tinola. Sinigang. Lutong ano? Lutong Pinoy. Adobo. Banana kayo. Halo-halo. Order tayo. May burger dito. Ano gagawin natin? Order tayo. Ano to? Hello contestant. Welcome to our annual eating contest. Each room contains a few sets of burgers. You need to eat them to burgers. Okay. Be quick, your reward awaits you. Read notes like this for information. Okay. Kailangan natin kainin lahat ng burger. Ano ba meron dito? Ito pa. 20% thicker buns. Unang kagat, tinapay agad. Stuck. I think I'm not allowed inside. Nakalock. Ito. Nagkalat ng mga burger. Door unlock. Okay. Saan yan nag-unlock ito? Baka dito. Stuff only. Ano papasok tayo dyan? Eat 5 burgers to unlock this door. Tapos na natin yan eh. Uy. Hindi mo naman dito. Sobrang lalim na ito ah. Eat 5 more burgers. 10 in total to unlock. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Ito yung isa. Uy! Si Jollibee! Hi, Jollibee. Takot naman si Jollibee. Hindi pa tayo anuhin ito. Gawa niya. Yung ketchup. There's a note somewhere in this area. I misplaced it. Okay. I'm supposed to give you it to you. The note contains instruction to activate the teleport. Okay. You have to use the teleporter to obtain your reward. Anyway, leave me alone. I'm working. I'm preparing. Oh, okay. Putang ina. Yes. Putang ina. Traulo ka, Jollibee ah. Where's the other hamburger? It's dumb burger. Ano to? Spaceship? Ito. Yes, ito na. Pansampu na to. Door unlock. Ano to? Ito yung teleporter. Okay. Teleport room. Bathroom. Ayan. Uy! May another ano dito, Jollibee. To activate the teleporter, you need to press 3 switches in correct order. Okay? Nagawa mo dyan, Jollibee. No. How can she do that to me? Oh! Sad boy. Broken hearted pala si Jollibee. I love her with all my hearts. I have 3 hearts. My queenie, peachy, bubbly, cutie, smoochy, lovey, brave. Yay! How can you leave me like this? I'm dying right now. Thank God, my big bro provided me with special food. But where is it? Okay. Yan ka muna, Jollibee ah. Hindi kita madadamayan ngayon. Kailangan na natin pumunta doon. Yan. Ito. May dalawa pa. Saan yung iba? Babalik tayo. Uy! Ayun. Hindi na siya sad boy. Makagulat ka naman, Jollibee. Ito. Isa nandito, guys. Asan yung isa? Nandito. Ito. Nakalampaling. Yung pangalawa. Ito muna. Pangalawa sa baba. Excuse me, Jollibee. May daan pala to. Yung sunod. Excuse me uli. Basic. Ito tayo sa teleport room. Yay! Saan na tayo? Saan to? There's another teleporter around this area. The sequence is B, A, and then C. I think I may have forgotten, but I'm 100% sure A is the second in order. Not sure about the first and the last though. You've been through worse than this. I'm sure this is easy for you. You'll hear a buzzer and have to retry if we press the incorrect. Easy lang to. Easy lang, Jollibee. Ano daw yung Pangilan Pangilan A? Second. Second na ng A. Okay, hanapin natin yung... Try natin yung B. Uy! Burger ka sa akin. Pwesa. Ang dami. Door unlock. Ito yung B. Ah, C ang una. Basta C. Sino yun? Umiiyak na naman ata si Jollibee ah. Ito ang si... Uy, si Jollibee! Ginagawa mo dyan? Your reward is behind that door, but you have to eat a total of 15 burgers. You have to find the last burger. I'll give you a hint. In order to find it, you must use a teleporter. Okay. Jollibee, are you okay? Please don't look at me. I'm very shy. I'm very insecure right now. The girl broke out with me yesterday even though I'm handsome. Yes. Handsome. I should hit the gym to get her. Yes. Mag-workout ka muna. Anyway, my big bro told me there's going to be food coming. Maybe I can share it with you when it comes. Thanks, big bro. Thanks, Jollibee. Ito muna. Sunod natin is A. Letter A. Letter B tayo, letter B. Mabit mo na mainit eh. Aircon. Letter C, asan sa letter C? Ay, letter B pala. Letter B. Sorry. Letter B pala. Yung teleporter eh. Yes! Nasaan na tayo? Makakulong tayo. Ay, ito yung kanina. Yung tayo nag-teleport. Ito na yung last... dumb burger. This is the 15th burger. Congrats. Now take your reward. You have to get back to get it. Open na yung door. Ito na yung last one. This is the reward. A golden burger. The 16th burger. I know you accept something else. Seriously, be more realistic. Now go home. Playtime's over. Take care. Hahaha. XD. Ito may XD pa eh. Return to your car. Saan na yun? Oh. Uy! Ayan. Naku po. Nawala. Nasira. That 16 burger you ate is full of spices to make your flesh taste. Oh no. Running for its life. Anyway. Love Jollibee. Soso. XOXO eh, no? So, paano to? Jollibee. Jollibee. Ulitin natin. Where's the letter C? Ulitin natin. Uy! Ay, okay. Sidestepan natin yun. Okay. Oh, oy. Ay. Ay. Side step. Letter A, letter A, letter A. It's the letter A. Ito. Bili. Uy, letter B, letter B, letter B. Uy, blank pa dyan. No, letter B, letter B. Hindi letter B. Sige, isang ikot pa. Isang ikot pa. So, letter B. Okay, okay na. Okay. Safe. Oh, hindi dyan. Saan na yung room? Saan na yung room? Ito? Nice. Bye-bye. Feeling ko kailangan natin madalhin din to. Uy! Teleport din! Ulit ka Jollibee ah. Mag-ice ka ng ketchup dito. Uy! Ketchup! Joke lang. Oh! Uy! Karki drop. Uy! Ba't drop mo? Uy! Dalawa sila! Nasaan na yung key? Nasaan na yung key? Saan mo na-drop yun? Please! Dito? Nalaglag. Ito. Uy! Corner! Basic Jollibee. Ayop. Tingnan ko doon ah. Panis!